So I was gonna go to the library to get me the Hunger Games series. And then I looked outside and saw that it is absolutely pouring down rain right now. Like, I mean pouring down rain. Do you want to come out, Rose? You want to come out and see? So I've edited 2 videos already today, went to the gym, and I dropped off a package at the post office when it wasn't pouring down rain. And right now it is 10:24 in the morning. I woke up at 4:48. I don't know why I can't sleep. I just can't sleep. And that's okay. Anyway, what is that snow? Stuff? Is that snow? Let's investigate a bit further here. It's like frost. Okay, that's water, but like it's, okay, no, it's just rain. It just looks white. It's actually just pouring. Okay. My eyes are deceiving me. I'm old, so leave me alone. So I went to the library. It was raining. It's like my shirt soaked. You can probably see it. The only Hunger Games movie they had was the part 1, which is fine because I think this is the best one. Anyways, out of the series. I was like, dang. Okay, well I guess I'll just get this one. And then I got this movie because I started watching this on the cruise. It was quite interesting at the beginning. And I feel like I needed to keep watching it in order to understand it. So I didn't finish it, but I want to finish it now. And this isn't on any streaming platform, nor is this one. And I have Hulu, Prime, and Netflix. So I finally felt comfortable and ready to go out today. Because, like, you know how some days you're just like, you don't have the energy to get out of your house. That was yesterday. That was me yesterday. It's rainy. Today I feel okay. Maybe it's the weather. Maybe it's like all the rainy weather. I don't know. But I'm about to watch these movies though. And who knows, I might pack. Even Rosie's sad over here. Look at this. The vibe, something about it. This is why I don't like May. April, May, it's like rainy season. It's like gross. Like I don't like this. I'd rather it snow. Something that I learned about being alone in my 23 years of life is you can't run from it. You can't throw yourself into work from it. You can't hide from it. Literally, you can't get away from yourself. And being alone opens this headspace where you're terrified to know what you're gonna do, to be alone with just your thoughts. And it's scary because sometimes you don't trust yourself. It would just be so nice to have something else that's comforting, or someone else comforting, you know, and you can block it all out. You know, you can throw yourself into social media and movies, TV shows, keep yourself busy, but the reality is that at some point you have to be alone to deal with and think about everything that has happened. Not a lot of people can do this because it brings up a lot of stuff that they don't want to think about. But when we think about these things and we unlock these things in our brain, it brings us new perspectives, and it helps us for future to then prepare us and know what we're going into and know what we are capable of. That's what I think is so special about being alone, and why I feel like I need to have alone time is because I've learned that when you are alone, that's when the most growth happens. So go be alone for a little bit. Think about everything. Think about your deepest, darkest thoughts. Write it out. Like, discover these things and learn about yourself, because I've learned so much in my moments of silence and just sitting with myself. And it's awful and it's uncomfortable and I hate it and I'm miserable. But then as time goes on, I'm more and more comfortable with myself. It's less antagonizing, right, in my brain. It's less itchy, if you will. Take some time to get used to being alone, whether that be, 2 days, 3 days, a week, a month. Be alone, and your self-discovery and what you will learn about yourself will skyrocket. I promise you that. It's just the fear of you're going to be alone. You have to trust yourself that you're going to be okay. Like, you have to trust that you have yourself and you can think your way out of it. You need alone time to process things, even though we don't want to process things, because when we do process those things, we learn the most from them. That's something you can't process with another person because they don't understand you how you understand yourself. They haven't gone through everything you've been through. They don't know. That's why the growth is so tremendous on your own. Okay. I am having a juice box. Listen, my girlfriend gets them for free at her school. So I'm going to go back to my olden days and have myself a little juice box. I'm having a thinking moment. My thinking moment is that I am trying to devise a plan where I can get better at color grading. So what I've done is I've taken my Sony A7C, because that's the camera that I'm probably going to take traveling, and that's where I really want to, shoot these really beautiful aesthetic kind of things, and I want this color to be right. Everyone tells me to keep working on my color grading. I know, right, Rose? Listen, I'm trying, Rose. I'm really trying to get better at this color grading thing because it does actually really bother me. I want my own kind of look. I want my own... Rose, eat your tail. I want my own kind of thing. Oh my god, I miss grape juice. This is like such a nostalgic feeling, because I used to have this all the time as a kid. So I'm really trying to figure this out. So I'm filming a bunch of videos. This is all going on my Patreon page. You literally watch me try to figure this out. This is how I learn, right? You can have YouTube videos tell you, oh, this is the best camera settings, this is the best, LUTs, this is the best things you need to do, this, that, and the other. But the only thing that is really going to satisfy that craving is not by watching these videos, it's by actually like filming things and doing it yourself and testing things. So that's what I'm exactly doing. And I'm going to post this video on my Patreon page, but it's going to be the process of me trying to figure out my look. And then I'm going to try it out for the rest of my videos. Color grading this Canon M50 is a bit harder just because it doesn't have as much range, it doesn't have S-Log or anything like that, a raw, ordeal. So it's going to be a little bit different when I have to color grade for my vlogs. But my traveling videos, though, it's going to be great. One of the best things that you can do when you are alone is go learn something. When you learn something, it takes your brain away from anything that's scary or traumatic. It does. So when you go and you learn something, it challenges that side of your brain that is trying to challenge you in your mindset. So if you're terrified of being alone and you absolutely don't want to be all up in your thoughts all the time, I challenge you to go learn something new, because that is a way where it is exercising your brain to have it think in a different way that it hasn't thought in. And it kind of controls that thought pattern rather than thinking about everything that you've done that's horribly wrong and everything that's wrong with the world and stuff that you just can't stand. And so by doing this and learning this, that's how you control your brain, bro. It's mastering. It's a craft. Learn something. That's what I'm doing. I'm learning, because I kind of have sat with myself this morning, and I don't want to do it again. Right, Rose? She says right. Okay, so I changed my jammies. I'm gonna have a little movie date with myself. I'm gonna make myself some dinner, and then I'm gonna watch this movie. I hear this is a really good filmmaker's movie, so see how it is. I'm gonna have a little date night. It's about like 9 o'clock at night, and I just wanted to reflect on this and say that, like, loneliness always hits you harder at night. That's because you have no choice but to be with yourself when you're falling asleep. Like, you have no distraction, you have no, nothing. So your brain is constantly like wired and like thinking about just everything you have to do, everything you did, everything you know, you want to do. It's just all there right in front of you. For someone like me with ADHD, I just go down these rabbit holes of like, what ifs, and what if I did this, you know? Maybe I should do that. Maybe if I do it this way, it'll be different, you know? Like, it starts to be this infinite spiral that you find yourself in. And it's always worse at night because you get thinking about everything in life. Like, the deepest part of yourself comes awake at night and it taunts you. Like, you can't go to sleep. You have to think about this, basically. I find, at least. I don't know about anybody else. If anyone else has these thoughts at night, especially like alone by yourself. I think it is quieter when you do it during the day too. Like when you take time and, you know, I don't know, disassociate, I guess. When you take time and sit with yourself, I guess. It's less loud at night. That's what I've kind of discovered over the years. Yeah, I just put icy hot on my shoulders and it is burning. I think I might have put too much on. It's like this new, it's like extreme, nano extreme, I don't know, pain relieving cream. Listen, I don't know, but it's burning. So I may or may not be taking a shower at 9 o'clock at night. Anyway, though, I probably shouldn't have touched my eye. That was a really dumb decision. I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys tomorrow.